And powder the fish. It's like humongous right now. It's like one in a pot. Huge. Look at that. It's like making a big mess. I'm trying not to make a big mess. It's like giving me no other choice but to, you know, it's making me make a big mess here. I'm trying my best not to make a mess. Like, this is how you know when fish is like really good, because they're like huge. All you need is like one piece, and they're still coming out big. Like, look at that. That is a piece of fish. Look at that. Put some fish curry. Yeah! Alright. Make a big mess, but all you do is put this in some fish fry, mix with some flour, mix, you know, mix it up, and makes the coating of the fish, and after that, fish is in the pot. It's like huge right now. It's gonna be like, it's gonna make a good pile. There it is. Like, flip it. And you put it back down. And when your fish is finished, fish come out like this. And you put it in the pot. And when it's done, it should look like that. It's gonna be like really beautiful. Also look.